In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action in Asana. Now, if you're familiar with using Control and Z on other platforms to undo your last action, you might find yourself a bit thrown off by Asana. Unfortunately, Asana doesn't offer a straightforward option to simply undo changes like some other platforms do. When you press Control and Z, nothing changes because this shortcut is not configured for undoing actions in Asana. However, you do have a small window of opportunity to undo something, but it only applies to deletions. Let's say you've accidentally deleted a task or a project. In that case, keep an eye on the bottom left of your screen. A temporary notification will pop up, offering you the chance to click Undo to reverse that deletion. Be aware though, this option is time sensitive, so you'll need to act quickly before it disappears. But what if you miss this short window? Or you need to undelete older tasks or projects that were deleted beyond this brief period? Don't worry, there's another way. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by clicking on the search icon, which you'll find at the top right of your Asana interface. Once you've opened the search menu, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that. Next, select the Go to Advanced Search option. This is going to be your friend for retrieving tasks that you thought might be lost forever. Now, in the Advanced Search settings, you want to set the status to Deleted. Once you've done that, click on Search. This will prompt Asana to compile a list of all your deleted tasks for that particular project you're concerned about. You should now see the list of tasks that have been deleted. At this point, all you need to do is click on the trash icon that's next to the task name that you'd like to recover. By doing this, you'll be able to undelete the task and it will be restored back into your Asana project, just like that. And there you have it. While Asana might not offer a universal undo option, these methods should help you manage the concern of accidentally deleted tasks or projects. I hope this guide has been useful for you, and now you feel a bit more comfortable navigating through situations where you need to recover content on Asana. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your project management tools.